The classroom is where critical education takes place, and interactive displays serve as the central hub for engaging lessons. Whether it's for a technical lab or a more traditional setting, professors can use interactive displays to pull up resources, work through problems with students, or even display real-time data for discussions. Being able to save these markups directly into everyday files, like PowerPoint and PDFs, mean that students can return to their notes anytime throughout the school year. Students demand more than static lectures. They seek learning environments which mirrors their fast-paced digital lives. It's easy to get participation and share assets from student devices, and SMART offers seamless learning across physical and virtual environments, meaning students attending remotely can interact with the board as if they were in the room. Studies have shown that the ability to interact directly with content leads to deeper understanding and retention. For interactive presentations, students can present their work with real-time multimedia elements, interactive diagrams, and annotations. This turns static presentations into dynamic and engaging learning experiences. Whether it's in the public arena of the lecture hall or the intimacy of a small study group, SMART products have the power to elevate the learning environment of your institution.